Automate and code 10 times faster with this AI-powered Versus Code extension. Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to walk you through an AI-powered Visual Studio Code extension designed to supercharge your coding workflow with automation and multimodal support. Let's dive in. First, open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the Extensions panel. In the search bar, type Roo Code and hit Enter. Select the Roo Code extension from the results and click Install. Give it a moment to set up. Once installed, the extension requires an API provider to function. Open the configuration router and pick your preferred AI tool options include Google Gemini, DeepSeek, OpenAI, and more. For this demo, I'll select Google Gemini. Paste your Gemini API key into the designated field to activate the tool. Now, let's put it to the test. Type a task like create a responsive login page using HTML, CSS, and JS and press Enter. Instantly, Roo Code generates the code. Watch as it crafts the HTML structure. Click Save to store the HTML file. Then let it auto-generate the corresponding CSS. Save that file too. And your project is ready. Navigate to the Roo Code folder and open index.html to preview the login page. Looks sleek, right? Let's tweak it further. Enter a new task, change the button color to blue. After saving the update and refreshing the page, the button now shines in blue. Thank you for watching.